Intermittent fasting is an eating plan in which you schedule eating and fasting times on a regular basis. It's been found to be very effective and beneficial to human health in so many ways. Do you know that you can lose up to 8% of your total body fat in just 3 to 24 weeks? There are so many more. And today's video is about 11 incredible benefits of intermittent fasting that you probably didn't know about. Let's begin. Number 1. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance. Insulin is the hormone whose function is to aid in storing blood sugar in the form of glucose. Being insulin resistant means that the cells of the affected person have stopped responding to insulin. The ultimate result of insulin resistance is high blood sugar, which can potentially lead to type 2 diabetes and all the associated risks, including heart disease and Alzheimer's. Surprisingly, intermittent fasting has been shown to significantly minimize these risks due to an impressive reduction in blood sugar levels. Some human studies on intermittent fasting found that people who intermittently fasted for 8 to 12 weeks had 6% lower fasting blood sugar levels than those who did not. More surprisingly, they noticed an almost 31% reduction in fasting insulin. This implies that intermittent fasting can significantly reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes due to insulin resistance. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 2. Intermittent fasting can be beneficial for heart health. According to a 2021 study published in the European Heart Journal, intermittent fasting can reduce the risk of developing metabolic syndrome, a set of conditions that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. These conditions include inflammatory markers, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Some animal studies have also associated the reduction of LDL, or bad cholesterol, with intermittent fasting. It shows that fasting can be very helpful in maintaining heart health and may reduce the risks of developing heart diseases and strokes. Number 3. Intermittent fasting improves the function of hormones, genes, and cells. Here are some of the healthy changes associated with intermittent fasting that occur on a cellular level. Cellular repair. During fasting, our body starts producing hormones that induce cellular repair and the removal of waste materials from cells. It keeps them healthy. Human growth hormone levels. During fasting, human growth hormone levels have been observed to increase dramatically, which facilitates muscle gain, visceral fat burning, and many other benefits. Gene expression. Some studies have also shown positive changes on a genetic level related to the immune system and the longevity of cells. Number 4. Intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is widely known as one of the most common contributing factors toward many chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's disease. Simply speaking, oxidative stress involves unstable ionized molecules, called free radicals, which react with the protein compounds in our skin, muscles, liver, heart, and even proteins in our DNA. Studies show that intermittent fasting is associated with an elevation in antioxidants, which have the ability to fight these free radicals. Consequently, this can improve the overall body's resistance to oxidative stress and help minimize the risk of developing many of the diseases stated before. Number 5. Intermittent fasting can help you reduce weight. According to a 2014 review of studies, intermittent fasting can effectively aid in burning visceral fat in the body from 3 to 8% in a period of 3 to 24 weeks. Not only this, but the waist circumference of participants involved in intermittent fasting was reduced by around 4 to 7%. Experts suggest that this is due to the enhanced hormonal function, which boosts your metabolism rate during the fasting period. Lower levels of insulin and higher levels of human growth hormone both increase the breakdown of visceral fats. In other words, your body tends to utilize the energy from stored fats and sugars to keep you going during the fasting period. Number 6. Intermittent fasting induces cell repair processes. Another incredible benefit of intermittent fasting is its tendency to initiate a waste removal process in the body. Another name for this process is autophagy, which literally means self-eating. It is like a self-preservation mechanism through which our body starts removing and recycling dysfunctional cells. Moreover, undesired proteins that build up inside cells are also cleaned out and utilized for energy. Due to this mechanism, our body is more protected from developing the symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and even cancer. Number 7. Intermittent fasting is beneficial for your brain. Several useful aspects of intermittent fasting contribute to better brain health, such as reduced oxidative stress, regulated blood sugar levels, and reduced risks of inflammation. Many studies in rats and mice have shown that intermittent fasting can also enhance the growth of brain cells, which facilitates brain activities. Additionally, fasting also tends to increase the levels of a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Its deficiency is found to be linked with many brain problems, including depression and anxiety. Moreover, a review of case studies showed that short-term fasting was able to improve the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease in 9 out of 10 patients. Some animal studies also supported the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting due to its aid in preventing Parkinson's and Huntington's disease. Number 8. Intermittent fasting may increase your life expectancy. A 2017 study on mice observed the effects of short-term fasting on their lifespan. It concluded that mice who fasted every other day were found to live 13% longer than others. Moreover, fasting also helped delay fatty liver disease and liver cancer in male mice, which are the most common diseases among aging mice. Although human trials have not yet been conducted, experts believe that fasting may also show promising improvements in the life expectancy of human beings. This is probably due to the contribution of intermittent fasting to insulin regulation, regulation of oxidative stress, and improved heart health. Number 9. Intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. Many studies show that intermittent fasting has several beneficial effects on metabolism, which may prevent cancer in the long run. Usually, a tumor occurs due to uncontrolled cells. Many animal studies show promising evidence of cancer prevention by intermittent fasting. Some human studies also shed light on the reduced side effects of chemotherapy for those who are fasting. Probably this is due to the autophagic properties of fasting, which involve the destruction of old or worn-out cells via metabolism during the fasting period. Number 10. Intermittent fasting may improve heart health. According to a 2021 review of studies published in the Annual Review of Nutrition, intermittent fasting can help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, as well as other markers of cardiovascular health such as blood pressure. The researchers also observed that people who were fasting had a reduced number of triglycerides, the fat particles mainly responsible for strokes and heart diseases. Intermittent fasting has also been found to reduce insulin resistance in individuals with type 2 diabetes. According to experts, people with type 2 diabetes are at least 2 times more likely to get congestive heart failure than non-diabetic individuals. Therefore, we can say that intermittent fasting also has incredible benefits in preventing the risks of developing heart diseases and keeping the heart healthy. Number 11. Intermittent fasting may aid in a good night's sleep. You might be least expecting this, but contributing to a good night's sleep is also one of the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting that you probably didn't know before. According to experts, intermittent fasting may regulate the circadian rhythm, which is a naturally induced process of the body for sleep and wake-up cycles. A regulated circadian means that you will fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed. Some experts also believe that this improvement in the sleep cycle is due to the improvement in metabolism due to fasting. According to the Sleep Foundation, sleeping with a full stomach is more likely to interfere with your sleep than doing the same after the digestion of food. Nevertheless, many people have reported having a good night's sleep after fasting during the day. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.